How to create fake backgrounds for your videos from this to this and to this. Yes, you can create fake backgrounds for your videos. If you're a content creator, you are basically going to go to your Google and type in Leonardo AI, and it's basically a tool that generates pictures, and it turns pictures into videos. So it will direct you to the website, and yes, this is the website. So you'll need to create an account just in case you don't have, and I advise you to always use Google. So in case you have an email, you're just going to use that one. So let's go ahead and create an account for this website. Before you use it, it will require you to create an account. So you are just going to put your password. Please don't forget to save the password just in case you want to log into the website real quick. So this is the website. It will ask you to pick any option. So I'll pick stock images and I'll skip this for now. So here you are going to create anything that you want. So this is how the actual website looks like. It has a lot of good pictures, and I've done a video like this before on how to turn a picture into a video. So basically, if you want to change background for your videos, here you are going to use this tool, and it's free of charge. You don't need to pay for any subscription. Now let's go ahead and type let me type fake background for a YouTube, fake background for a YouTube, for a dancing studio, something like that, because that's the type of a video that I'm going to change its background. Someone is taking pictures of herself, so we need a little bit of more of a studio. Fake dancing background. So you click generate, and it needs 8 tokens to generate the pictures that you want. And these are some of the pictures that it has generated for me. They look so good. I like them. They are so cute, and yeah, they can work in the background of a video. So but I don't like any of these pictures. They're so cute, but I don't like them. So I'll turn a little bit of more on what I need. Let's put dancing background. Let's put photo shoot. Yeah, photo shoot background. Yes, and I think if you want to change a little bit of anything, you just need this app. Everyone needs this app, most especially a content creator. So I'll put first photo shoot studio background, and it needs 8 tokens to generate all the pictures that you want. So it takes a little bit, 2 to 3 seconds to generate anything that you want. All right. And now these are some of the pictures that it has generated for me, and I think they are so cute. This is everything that I needed. Okay, it looks like more of a studio. So since the video is of a dancing woman, this is going to work for me. This studio, I'll just go ahead and save the picture. We shall use that picture as our background in our video. Okay, and now in case you don't know, you can save 1 or 2 pictures just in case the first one does not work for you, so you can use the other one. Also, you need an app called PicsArt. Yes, this one in the pink one, you need that app. So in case you don't have it, you have to download it. As for my case, I do have it, so I'll just update it. And for the YouTube maximum size, YouTube is 6.69 diameters, I think, and that's what we are going to use. So you just type in YouTube thumbnail, and it will generate YouTube thumbnail backgrounds. So we shall use this image because it fits the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, anyways, you are just going to drag this picture that we are going to use as a background, and put the real dimension of this YouTube background that we have generated from PicsArt. Okay, so you just want to change your YouTube background, you need a good light. Yes, or natural light, anything that works for you, and just go ahead and change any background of your choice from a Leonardo AI. Okay, that tool is so good. Anyways, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and get your CapCut, log into and drag your video first, the video that you filmed and you want to change the background. Drag that video first, and the next thing you are going to put is you overlay the picture, the background picture that we generated from Leonardo. So this is how the video has came out, and remember to remove the background from the video that you want to change. Okay, when you import the video from CapCut, remove the background and add the overlay of the background picture from Leonardo. So this is how my video has came out, and it's pretty much cute and very gorgeous. I didn't expect that it will come out this way, because I mean, look, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. If you feel that this video was so helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's proceed, and I show you the final video that I managed to produce from CapCut, how it looks like. This is how the background has came out. This is a fake background, guys. Remember, it's from Leonardo AI and it's free. You don't need to pay any coin, or you don't need to pay any subscription. And this is another background also. It's so pretty. Thank you.